Hello friends, I ordered this thing. It is a butterfly knife trainer. I bought a trainer because I am not sure whether I can use it. I am a totally new beginner. I've ordered it from Amazon in 389 rupees. See, it says heavy drivers butte pocket tool black. Okay, I am going to open it. Here is the sellotape. See, it is coming out. I'm going to open it in 3, 2, 1. See. It is inside the packet. The packet came out, but it did not come out. See. See. This is the butterfly knife. How does it work? I don't know. It's so tight. I'm going to open it. I think this is it. But it's not working. Wait. Still it's not working. I think I need to pull it. 1 second. I am figuring out and then showing you. I understood how to open it. See. It's very tight. This is supposed to be the blade, but it is just a trainer. It is very nice. I loved it. I'm going to close it again. To press very hard. And it's locked, see. It's an amazing thing. I brought it from Amazon. If you like this thing, then you can go on Amazon and you can buy it in 389 rupees. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this product.